Okie dokie. Sorry, guys. Per usual, I have not figured out how to put the wait screen on until I'm ready. But we should be good. We should be live. Microphone should be good. Hectic morning this morning. It's been a busy morning. I need to take out this memory card and put that in my camera. Cannot forget that. Oh, I gotta upload the drone footage. Bruh. Memory cards. These things are so small yet extremely important in my life right now with the agency, the social media management. Love them and hate them. But we're here. Good morning. Good morning to you. Wherever you are in your neck of the woods, welcome to this beautiful Tuesday. You want me to take a picture of you guys? Hold on, let me take a picture of you guys. Sleepwalker, what up? Okay, I want you guys to smile. Ready? Smile. 3, 2, 1. Take a picture of you. Just kidding. Let me clear my throat. I'm just thankful to be alive, guys. To be honest, I'm just thankful to be alive today. All right, that's that. If you don't know, we have already requested payout yesterday of $2,275 with Wise. So, or sorry, with TopStep. In total for the last 30 days, this has been the payout. So, extremely thankful, extremely grateful for the payouts. I know that at any moment I can blow this all up and lose the Express accounts and have to start over again. But for now, we got some payouts. We got some W's in 2026 so far. So yep. Let's just jump into the markets. Actually, let me check if there's any news here. All right, we have news in 17 minutes, which is cool. So we're just going to be chilling and allow the news to kind of play out. Sign Creations, good morning. What's up, man? What's up? All right, let's clean up the charts. NQ gapped down. Big, nice opening candle lower, and we have continued to sell off, which is a sign of continuation lower, right? On the daily, we came up. Sorry, I'm super loud, but try to clear my throat because I'm not drinking enough water this morning, and I got a lot of phlegm. Daddy, what up, bro? It's so weird to call you that. I'm gonna call you something else. I'm gonna call you Mycology. Yeah, how about that? Mycology. I feel weird calling you daddy, so I can't call you that, bro. On the daily on NQ, you know, this is the all-time highs. We failed to break it here back in December. And then we failed to break it again here on the 26th, or sorry, 13th of January. We're starting to sell off. We are in a daily demand still, so there is some opportunity for buyers to kind of step in here. So we just got to be wary of that, but we aren't looking for huge moves. We're just looking for nice little scalps within the 1 hour and 5 minute time frames. That being said, no problem. Cool. That being said, we just want to look left and we want to find any supply and demand zones that are of significance. So we have this one here, which we're going to draw that out and move it over. Okay. Price has gone this low. Oh, wow. Price has tapped this demand perfectly. Just beautiful tap of this demand. Would you look at that? So this hour demand no longer is necessary to our setup. And then I'm going to draw this one last little hour demand down here. And we're going to move it on over. Just like that. So, at around 3 o'clock in the morning, my time, price has tapped this 1 hour demand and then has rejected, which is nice. If we just look at this market structure here, excuse me, we've got higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Very nice. And we zoom down here. We got a lower low, lower high, equal low, higher high. So we had the change of structure. And now we are moving up. So very nice. We have a bit of a market shift. We go down to the 1 hour. And what we usually do is draw out the most immediate 1 hour demands. So we got a 1 hour demand right here. So we have a 1 hour previous from a while ago that we tapped into. And then we have a current 1 hour demand that was just formed at 3 o'clock in the morning. And we will be looking for longs. A high probability long for me would be down here in this 5 minute demand. And might be worth it to see if it taps there. So that being said, I like this setup to wait for it at some point today. That's what we're going to do. Not a high probability setup would be this 5 minute demand, but there's a good chance that you can take a quick scalp here in this 5 minute demand. But I don't feel confident in that yet. I'm just going to let price kind of do its thing and see what happens next. We also want to draw out our supply zones. So we have a supply zone up here and potentially looking for shorts up in this area. But so we just trade these ranges, right? We just trade these ranges. Angelo, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up? Good morning. All right, so that's NQ. Excuse me. That's NQ. Currently looking for longs. Let me look at my trading view, which you guys can't see on the short stream. All right, so yeah, this 5 minute demand here could be a high probability setup long. In a very quick scalp like this. Maybe you can get the breakout and get 1 to 2, but it's not secure. So that's NQ. But really quick, I need to set up my copy trading because every time you get a payout, it requires you to do this over. 1966 and 967 are the two main accounts. Enable copy trading. 2,279 is the balance on this one. 2,276. Perfect. That's correct. This Express account is up 1,153, and the final Express account is up 1,571. So not bad. Not bad. I did blow up an eval. As you guys know, I'm very risk averse with the eval, so I like to just push it, and I blew them up. I blew it up gambling, just trying to pass it quickly, and I'm totally fine with that. As you guys can tell, we're up for the year, which is nice. So I'm going to reset that eval right now so we can trade that this morning. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. I just keep clearing my throat in y'all's ears. Went too hard. That's right. I went too hard on the eval, bro. This long just looks so good right now. I like the longs here, to be honest. Not on the Express account. Definitely not on the Express account because it's very risky. But on the evals, 100%, just catching the continuation. So what I'm gonna do is try catching that move. I want to see if we can get this on the eval. This is just the eval, guys. I reset it. I reset the evals. Let's see if we get it. Teresa Young, what's up? Good morning. Good morning.
Order filled.
Okay, everybody. Remember, just an eval. Risk is a little tight, but we're just going to run this setup. See what happens. Not a high probability setup, guys. Not a high probability setup. Not taking this on the eval. Just taking this on the Express account. Excuse me. Might be a quick one here. Might be a quick one. Might be a quick one. Might be getting stopped out sooner than I thought. Yep, we're gonna get stopped out. This demand is pretty big, so the risk is kind of high. But we have it now. We look like we're getting a trend line break, which is cool. Like I said, on the Express accounts, I definitely want to take one down here long on the Express accounts. This 5 minute. So now we might get the trend line break instead of the continuation higher, but not touching it with the Express accounts yet. Sup? How we doing? Doing good? Dejasi. I know I say it all the time. I just love saying your name, bro. It's just cool. Dejasi. Money printer about to go burr. Agreed. Possibly. Welcome to the stream. If you haven't done so, it'd mean a lot to me if you could tap the like button. Get the algorithm juices flowing and get more people to us.
Order filled.
All right, we're gonna try one more time. Did I say that this is an eval and I'm very risk averse with evals and I like to take risk? I did say that, so just take that with a grain of salt. I like to just kind of push it with the evals. On the Express accounts, I'm very patient, or I try to be very patient on the funded accounts. the express accounts. So why trade trend lines? Why not trade? Let me ask you this: why not trade trend lines? Huh? Huh? Why not? The question is why not? Huh? Ever thought about that? Why not trade trend lines? You're live earlier than normal. Yes, sir, Will. I am. I got to leave early today for a client meeting. So it's stupid in my opinion, but if it works for you, there you go. Everyone's opinions don't matter. If you make money, you make money. I could trade with a circle. You know what I mean? I could trade with the smiley face if I wanted to. And if I make money, that's all that matters. What if I only enter in when the smiley face is filled in? That or whatever, it taps the smiley face and I make money. You can call it stupid. But that's the beautiful thing about trade. I'm not trying to be hard on you. I'm just saying, like, people come in here and they say such crazy, hasty things. Like, oh, this is stupid. Oh, supply and demand is stupid. Or ICT is the way, and da-da-da-da. But nobody gives a crap if you make money, right? So, so this trade doesn't have crazy amount of confluences. We just have a pullback into a 5-minute demand area. We have already change of structure here into a 1-hour demand. I am looking to possibly go long down here on the express accounts if we get there. That's what I'm looking for. This trade that I'm in right now is just a pullback and a 5-minute demand, looking for the continuation higher to make the new higher high. Right now we're making the new lower high. But we might not get it. It might fail and it might break lower into our original area that we want to take long. But we're in. You take the risk and it's on an eval. It's $97. We're getting a $4,000 payout with TopStep, so I'm cool taking that risk, you know what I mean? I'm cool taking that risk. All right, I'm gonna take a look at gold on the other screen here. Gold is getting close to $5,000. Insanity. I was trading gold years ago in the $2,000 range. Just crazy to see it at almost 5. Cray. We do have news here in 3 minutes. I completely forgot about that. I forgot about that. I forgot that we have some news coming up here. Draw out our supply and demand zones on gold. Done. And technically we are in a supply zone with gold, but it's just consolidating up here, so it's a bit risky. Might come down to stop me out and rip up. Getting distracted by my clients messaging me.
Order filled.
All right, we got stopped out there. News is in 2 minutes. Message these guys right back, and then we're good to go. And this is just an eval. This is just an eval. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so once news comes out, like I said earlier on the Express accounts, we're looking to possibly go long down here. So sometimes whenever I want to go long in an area, I look to I look to take the ride down into our area of going long. Man, they're messaging me early. I'm up early and they're messaging me early. Sorry guys, getting distracted. Salam Shack. So will it reach the 5K in a couple months? Gold can. I mean, it's a possibility in the next 30, 60 days that it actually hits the 5,000 mark. It's a psychological level, and I feel like we're kind of hyperbolic right now with gold. It's not really being talked about, but I mean, look at this. Just crazy. Maybe more than that, 90 to 180 days possibly. All right, news came out. What time frame you on? I trade the 5 and the 1 minute, 5 minute and 1 hour time frames. Bro, I can't trade the way you do. When I enter a trade, I don't watch it. I set my stop loss and take profit, and I let it play out. Staring at the chart just frustrates me. I feel you, bro. Yeah, definitely been there. And I used to just like literally walk away and go for a walk while I'm in a trade. But you know, it's important to, you know, for me to manage my trade, and I add into the trade as we're moving. You know what I mean? So I cannot see. Bro, something's going on with YouTube. Sorry guys, I don't know what the heck's going on with YouTube. I'm trying to see my screen where you guys are at and talk with you guys. There you go. I was in gold at the bottom of the push. Only took a break on my funded heroes accounts, and all that profit could have been. Yeah, bro, that sucks. That really does suck. But there's gonna be opportunity in the market, you know. So you know, just reset and let it be. You know, what time for me? Time for me on? I'm on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Trading in eval right now. Just remember, I'm very risk averse when it comes to evals. We tried taking the long here in this 5 minute demand. It was just so large that I got stopped out. Should have risked a little bit less. But I'm gonna give this a stab short.
Order filled.
I'm gonna only go in half the size and see what happens here, and see if it goes down to where we want to go long, essentially. And this is all eval. I always have to say that because I want you guys to understand I trade completely different once I'm in an Express account. I wait. I try to wait and be very patient with it. On evals, I'm okay risking the 97 bucks. You know, it's just kind of how it is for me. So what I'm looking for is rejection here, and see if we get it. If we don't, cool. Express accounts. Fresh Kumar, I'm currently at a party, Shack, but good luck. Oh man, enjoy your party, bro. I appreciate you even coming in here saying what's up with me, bro. You're at a party. Enjoy the party, man. But I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Early morning. Yeah, man. I have to leave early today, Fred, so I decided to jump in here. AWE, bro, or AW, bro? AW, bro? Let's take a look at our poll here. We got some votes in. Tuesday sell-off. 35% of you say, for show, burn, baby. 20% of you say, shh, bulls are coming. Okay. 45% of you say, it don't matter to me. Shout out to you, the 45% that doesn't matter to you. I remember when the markets didn't matter to me either, and it was much quieter and peaceful. And then when I got into the markets, I realized how much money's moving around and how much the hedge funds and private equity firms and all these people have billions of dollars moving in seconds and them making millions in seconds and minutes. Made me realize, what the heck am I doing with my life? You know what I mean? So. If this 5-minute candle holds, we are definitely going to get stopped out, which it looks like it is. It was a trendline fake breakout. I'm looking to add into the full size down here if we get there. But it's definitely trying to push long right now. How many years have you been trading? I've been trading since 2020, 2019. I got into crypto, 2018 crypto. And then in 2020, COVID hit and took that PPP loan. And I was like, I'm going to YOLO this and learn it. Nah, I jumped in, paid for some courses and started doing some trade alerts and options trading. And ever since, I've been hooked. So 6 years is the answer to your question. For all you fair value gap traders, it taps your 1 minute fair value gap right there. Look at that. Beautiful fair value 1 minute gap. But we're cooked on this for sure. It had a trendline fake out on the breakout. Oh, that's actually pretty good. It had a fake out on the breakout. I don't know if I've ever heard that before. Did I just come up with that? Yo, we just had a fake out on the breakout. All right, well, I'll just reiterate what I said earlier so that everybody's on the same page of the trade that I'm looking for. On the 1 hour time frame, we're about to get stopped out on that, which is all good. Okay. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to delete. All right, so our ideal long was actually better. It's just that the stop is so big in that 5 minute demand, just didn't work out. And I got stopped out twice trying to go long. But that's not what we're going to focus on right now. I am going to look at the original A+ setup that we're looking at. Are you profitable, or are you still in the game of trying to become a profitable trader? I can consider myself profitable in the last 30 days. This is how much we got in payouts. It's around $8,000 or so in the last 30 days with TopStep. And I've probably spent less than $500. Probably $500 now, because 1, 2, 3, 4 evals, it's 400 this year. Yeah, $400. Probably call it $500 in evals. Because I just bought one this morning again. So right now, as of 30 days this into 2026, I am profitable. So the A+ setup that I'm looking for, which I don't know if we're going to get, is here. So we had this 1 hour demand that I spoke about this morning, all the way back here on the 18th of December. Had this 1 hour demand, and 3 o'clock this morning, we tapped into this 1 hour demand. So great. Long stepped in. Too bad I was asleep, because that's a nice setup. 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning, it tapped in there. Then we move over and we have formed a drop base rally candle, which becomes a demand area. So this purple box here is our most current 1 hour demand. Cool. Now we zoom down to the 5 minute and I break down the structure here so everybody can see, how this plays out. We got a higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. lower high, lower low. And then we made a lower high here, equal low here, and then instead of making a lower low, we made a higher high. So now we have the change of structure inside of a 1 hour demand. Now we push high. So now we're going higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. We have broken this last higher low, which is considered a break of structure in our trading. Okay. Now that being said, that would trigger the most furthest demand for us to go long, which would be down here. There's a 5-minute demand right down here that I'll be looking to possibly enter in to go long. So, which is why I'm saying like this is a high probability setup for me to go long, but we're so far away from here that I don't know if we're gonna get there. AQX, good morning, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Any update on gold? What do you see? What do you do? Yeah, I'll actually I'm gonna look at gold here shortly. I wanted to explain everybody what the NQ setup is gonna look like if we get it and why I'm taking it. So that is the NQ setup and why I'm taking it. Okay, that's that. Let's go over to gold, MGC. All right, so gold is a bit tricky. If we look for shorts, we got to get in and out because of this movement, just ripping higher, and any move short could be bought up quickly, right? So we're not going to be looking for continuations. And same thing with NQ. NQ is selling off. We opened up Sunday night, gapping down. So if we look for any longs, you know, we take what we can. We're not going to look for crazy moves higher. We're just going to take whatever is given to us. So just take that, keep that in mind. So gold has tapped into this 1 hour demand, which is nice. So potentially there are longs that are going to step into here. So this 5-minute candle stepped in. When we look at supply on the 1 hour, there is a supply zone right here on this 1 hour candle. It's a rally base drop candles forming. Let me go over to Trading View and open this up too so I can take a look at it. There you go. All right, so if we look at the structure on gold, we've got higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high, higher low, and then a lower high. So instead of us breaking here, we created a lower high. And we have now changed of structure by breaking this low right here. So because we've broken this low, it will trigger us to go short somewhere here. So that the official break is down here, right over here. This 5-minute candle broke it. So now we would look to enter short in either this 5-minute supply or somewhere up here. It's not too clear where to enter in right now on gold to go short. So those are the areas of interest to go short on gold, and possibly we take it. Yo, what are you trading this morning? I only trade gold and NQ, to be honest. So those are the two things. What chart is this? Right now I'm looking at gold. And Fred says, I see it. Fred's on multiple accounts. You got me all confused, bro. Like, wait, who's official? Oh, it's freaking Fred. Fred's chatting on 2 accounts. I want to be like you, Fred. Okay, if you guys don't know, go to Fred's painting services and check out his content. I almost guarantee you someone here has watched his content because he has billions of views. Billions. So please go watch and let me know if you've seen it. Fred's Painting Services, FPS. Your Discord invite has expired. What? Thanks for letting me know, bro. I thought I updated this already. Or I thought I made it, like no expiration on it. Thanks for letting me know. Oh, here it is. Edit. Expire never. Generate new link. Copy. Bro, thank you so much. There's the new one. All right, there's the new link. All right, y'all. Well, that's not playing out right now, but we would look to short somewhere up here. If price does come up here, I would like to take it short. So I would take this opportunity to go short. High risk, but I like the setup. I'm going to set my alerts here to go short. Go back to NQ. We have a base drop candle here on the 1 hour. So potentially that's where we're retesting, which we are. If and only if price breaks below this low on NQ, we have the break of structure, and I'll potentially short it. So, what platform do you use other than TradingView? I use TopStep's platform and TradingView. So TopStep has Project X, which is the one you see on the screen. And then TradingView is on my other screen, which you could only see that on the horizontal live stream. Need few more evals to pass. Nice, bro. Hey, keep working at it, bro. Prop firms are actually amazing. The good ones. Okay? And prop firms can be extremely beneficial to anyone. There's a lot of hate that goes around prop firms. People that actually follow me, I follow them. We don't really talk. I don't want to say the individual's name. He's way more wealthier than me. I know it because he was in solar and he sold his business for millions and millions. And he knows about money. He trades options, but he doesn't day trade. He trades like expiration or freak. I forgot what his trading style is. But he kind of knocks on prop firms, but there because there are scamming prop firms out there. Okay, so there are people who represent prop firms who say that they're getting payouts, but don't have any proof of the payout. Okay, they're not like showing it hit a bank account. And what they do is they stay an affiliate and they say, yeah, I'm an affiliate with this prop firm. Go ahead and, making all these payouts, buy from this prop firm using my code, and they get paid commission. I get paid commission on the affiliates that I have right now, which is TX3 Markets and what is it called? Funded Heroes. I have not gotten a payout from them, but I see that they do make payouts, and I also know the owner of TX3 Funded personally, so that's why I trust them. And what I'm trying to say is people fake payouts, or people don't even show like, oh, I'm on an Express account, I got payouts, it's going in my bank account, and then they ask for you to use the affiliate code so they can get commission. And that's what this guy's talking about. That's what he's hating on. And I'm on the same page. Like, I ain't going to fake it. If I'm going to lose money, you guys are going to see me lose money. If I'm going to make money, you guys are going to see me make money. And I made that known to myself. Like, I'd rather be honest in this world, because in this trading space world, because it's so much easier to make money if you wanted to be fake. I have a business, but I can go buy a GTR right now with the money I have, say it's coming from trading, create this really cool video and say I'm making this money in trading. You need to follow me and my Discord, and buy affiliate accounts and pay for my course and be filthy rich. I don't want to live a lie. Okay, so going on a little bit of a rant here, but I was thinking about this yesterday at some point. Like, I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna show you when I go on tilt. I'm gonna show you when I make money, and I'm gonna show you when I lose money, because that's how it should be. And if I could go back to 2020 and I think that's kind of what I want to do, is be the guy that I wanted in 2020, and I'm gonna be that person as much as possible. Oh. Trading view is actually a few seconds ahead. Trading view is ahead again. Weird. I'm like watching trading view lead what's happening. Okay, guys. Well, it's coming down to our area of profit of enter. It's coming fast. So this is a high probability setup. I'm going to take this if it gets here. And this is not financial advice. So do everything that you see. Do it all on your own accord. That's what I'm trying to say. If this 5-minute candle closes below this line, it closes below this line, we have now break of structure, and potentially if it rips higher, taking it short here on NQ. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's got to close below it. Okay, it closed below it. Bruh, trading view's actually ahead. It's so weird. This is like low-key a hack. Like if you want to see 1 second or so ahead of time, you can just look at trading view and in like scalp. Let me go to the 1 minute. All right, so we did break below this orange line, so there's a break of structure. But since we're coming down to our area of entry on the 5-minute, I'm just going to leave it. I'm just watching both of these charts here. Need a few more. What do you prefer, or do you use both? I use both. On my trading view screen, I have a 13 EMA and a 200 EMA. And then on my Project X screen or TopStep screen, I have nothing, just bare charts. That helps me not make decisions always on the EMAs. Okay, now they're aligned. Has New York Open started, or is it 1 hour? It's gonna in an hour. New York Open's gonna hit. I'm trying to decide if I want to take this setup here short in this 5-minute supply if it comes up here. What chart is this? This is NQ, and then yes, there was ADP, something employment news here that happened about 15-20 minutes ago. Why is NASDAQ moving like this? I don't know. You know, I don't know why. I mean, I guess why is moving like what? I guess I should ask. But anybody that can, anyone that says they know why the charts are moving the way they are, does not know what they're talking about. No one knows why the charts move the way they move. I mean, if it starts rallying, you can say, yeah, because the Fed's dropped interest rates. Like, yes, that's why it's moving. But I'm saying, like, you know, this huge 5-minute candle, you see how it's bearish here? That's when the institutional money just stepped in and you know, the hedge funds just started selling here, this 5-minute candle. See why? Because it broke your structure. Like, no one knows what they're talking about there. So all right, so it doesn't look like it's going to break up to the supply to go long or to go short. So I'm going to stick to entering long in this 5-minute demand and give this a shot. The problem is I'm trading. I have to go to 3 different accounts to manage it, which is pretty rough. If you haven't done so, it means so much to me if you tap that like button. Just helps the algorithm flow, juices flowing, algorithm gods to say, we like Shaq's stream. We're going to show it to more people. Push it to everybody. It would mean so much to me if you could tap that like button. And if I earned it, would love to earn a subscription from you. And then we have a free Discord where we trade every day together. We jump on calls. It's not crazy structured right now, but it's just a great place to trade with other people. Ooh. It's doing a thing. Let me just look at gold right quick. Oh my gosh, gold hit. Gold. My alerts went on gold for the short, and it freaking hit. But I didn't have an entry. Bro, are you... I can't look at it. I can't look at it right now. Can't look at it. Can you swing trade in futures, or is it just for day traders? No, you can swing trade on futures, but you can't do that with most prop firms. They don't let you. They don't let you swing on prop firms. If you open up a TradeVet account or a Rhythmic account or like an actual brokerage, not a prop firm, you can put your money in there and hold contracts for as long as you want. Jossie, thanks, man. Thank you. I'm a little sad that I didn't get to enter in on it, but it is what it is. It's coming back up. Maybe there is an opportunity to enter in, but at this point, I don't want to take it. Ay. Gotta make sure all my batteries are charged, which they are. Camera battery and the drone batteries are charged. Everything's charged. What pair are you trading? This is NASDAQ NQ, or if you're in the Forex world, CFDs, it's going to be what is it called? NAS 100. NAS 100. I gotta unplug my battery real quick. I feel nervous walking away because I want to see if I can take the short. Gombert! Freaking Michael Gombert in the house, y'all. Everybody, listen. This is a good friend of mine, Michael Gombert. Could you guys, it means so much to me, even if just one person goes to his YouTube and subscribes, because he's a super funny guy. Him and his girlfriend shoot great content. He's not a day trader or anything, but he's trying to go live more, but he has to get to 100 followers. So if you guys could, just give him a sub. Give him a sub. Yeah, and that's your rug. The rug in the back is a rug that he actually, I bought that from him. I thought he gave it to me. No, I bought it from him. And it just looks good back there. Michael Gombert, thank you so much, bro. Gold is tapping. Let me check on gold right quick on my trading view screen. Okay, gold tapped it again. It's a little bit risky because now it's tapping a second time. So I don't know if I want to take that short, to be honest. It might work out, but it might push to the higher supply zone, which is down here on... It might come up to 47.36. It might come up there to that supply now. Nice analysis, but what part of your trading? That looks good. Michael Gombert live channel. Oh, my bad, bro. I thought it was that channel. That's right. Michael Gombert owns a few businesses. So if you're looking for business content, it's the one that he's commenting on. And then his vlog channel, Michael Gombert Life, is the one that we're trying to pump up there. All right, bro. I'll send you my info for my Chick-fil-A. I'm just kidding. Okay, all right. So we're coming up here. If it does push higher up here, I'm gonna take this short. So let's see if it does. Not the craziest best setup in the world, but has a breaker structure. The 1 hour supply is not the greatest. It's a 1 hour. It's a drop based drop, so it's not like the strongest area of interest, but I want to take it there. What you want? I got you. I sub to you, Michael. Let's go. Wolf is awesome, Mike. He is. Wait, Wolf, your name is Michael, right? I keep forgetting because yours says Wolf of Will Hunt, but I think his name is Michael also. What you want? I got you. I fly next week. Shh, you know me, bro. I'm a simple guy. I just want my chicken nuggets. Okay, I just want some chicken nuggets, grilled or battered. It don't matter. Chick-fil-A nuggets just hit. They just hit. You know what I mean? My gold alerts just went off. Okay, so gold tapped this higher supply zone. It tapped up here. So for the sake of
Order filled.
Trading something on the eval, I'm gonna go ahead and put my stops up here, and let's see if we get somewhere on this setup. On just the eval, let me make it known. I'm just talking about the eval. Tap this 1 hour supply above here, and we went short. So M and Q is what we're going to focus on. And I am going to... I was doing the Hi Michael from Michael joke a couple streams ago. That's right. Yes. Subconsciously, that's what I was thinking about. Callie, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Dang, NQ's just chopping right now, bro. What the heck? If we go down to the 1 minute, it's looking like it's wanting to push higher, but in the 5 minutes, just chopping. Chop fest. Chop suey. Hey, chop suey. All right. NQ is playing. It's just playing games right now. I don't know what's up. Okay, finally doing something. Michael's supporting Michaels in the world. I like it. Where all the Meshachs at? I know there's a lot of Michaels, but where are my Meshachs at? Any other Meshachs in the world? Or Shacks in general? I only met one other Meshach in my life. Oh no, two. I don't remember. No, maybe one. I was working at the Apple store, and this guy named Meshach checked in at the Genius Bar, and I was working in the back repairing iPhones, and someone's like, Meshach. I was like, what? Or they're like, Shaq, what? This guy named Meshach just checked in for his iPhone repair. I was like, what? We went outside. He's never met another Meshach. We took a picture together. It was a moment I'll never forget. So where are all my Meshachs at, bro? I have a positive on NQ. Bought my trade at break even, so I'm at risk-free chilling right now. Nice work, bro. Nice work. Solid. I met like 9 to 10 different Michaels. Bro, I can go through my contact list and I probably have 9 to 10 Michaels on my phone. Oh man, now adding you to my list. I know like 12 Michaels. Hey, do you prefer ICT or SNR? I don't know what is SNR. Oh, support and resistance. I'm more. If I had to choose, I would do support and resistance. We'll send traded group. Yes, send it over, brother. Take a look at it. So I trade supply and demand, which is another form of supply and resistance. So dang it. Come on, bruh. This is the sucky part about supply and demand. Sometimes it don't hit. Like the areas don't hit. Culture Wave 325. What's up, bro? Good morning. Good morning. Man, what a nice short. What a nice short this could have been. Dang it. All right, well, trade is no longer in play. If it pushes higher, then I'll set it up again, but now we got nothing. Itim. Good morning. Samarth, I'm from India. Welcome from India, my friend. NQ said nope to your sell. I know, bro. I said no, not today. Not today. Gold pushing higher. Oh, about to get stopped out on the eval. I'm about to get stopped out on the... Oh, I did get stopped out on the eval. Just an eval, everybody. Chill out. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, I'm just focusing on NQ now. Maybe I should just take those trades on demo. Why take it on the eval? Forgot I have a demo practice account here. Let me do that going forward so I don't waste 97 bucks every single time. All right, this 5-minute candle is about to close on NQ. We got 3 minutes left. What would be really neat is if it does push one more time and rejects on the last 2 minutes. Kumusta, kaibigan? Kaibigan! Kumusta? Kumusta ng buhay? Nasaan ka sa atin? All right, we're just gonna wait here. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Kumusta na ng buhay? Bruh, gold is doing that thing? I'm gonna enter in one more time on gold.
Order filled.
All right. All right. Oh, snap. This is eval. This is express account. Mishak. What in the heck? Bro.
Order filled.
Goodness gracious. It's the risk that you take whenever you trade multiple accounts, man. Goodness. That was not supposed to happen. Taga Cavite. Nice, but I live in Vegas. Oh, okay. All right, you're a stateside. I'm in Arizona, bro. We're not too far away, dude. We're not too far away. Did you take that long on GC? Yo, no, I didn't. I didn't take no long on GC, bro. On the 1 hour demand. You're probably talking about the 1 hour demand right here, right over here. I did not, bro. I did not. I'm in short on eval right now, actually. So don't get mad at me, Dylan. Don't get mad at me, Dylan. If you guys don't know Dylan, he's in the Discord. He's a profitable trader, verified by me, know him personally. He has his own section in the Discord, gonna post his trades, his thoughts, and everything like that. So join the Discord, completely free. It's in the pinned comments. F your bro, you didn't notice Nigeria? What? Oh, dang, bro, my bad. A lot of messages came through. Dude, chill out. Hello from Nigeria. So sorry, brother. There are a lot of Nigerians that come to my live, so welcome from Nigeria, and nice to meet you, brother. Sorry that you got so pissed, bro. Jeez, I have people that work for me in Nigeria. Well, used to work for me, so chill out, bro. I love Nigerians. But we hear Dylan. Dylan, yeah, what are you doing on the horizontal stream? You know what I mean? I missed like a whole bunch of trades. In supply again, high from Nigeria, again. That trade is running for EM stops. I don't know what EM means. Yeah, cool. Cool. It's kind of awkward, not gonna lie. Like if we were in person, it'd be like, cool. Sorry about that. Oh, man. I know, bro. Dylan, I'm looking for shorts right here, and I'm hoping we get it. If not, then I'm looking for longs down here. Hey, bro, UK again here. What's up? I remember you, bro. What's up, Graham? Welcome. I don't work most of US, bro. I have a social media management business, or I don't know, you call it agency or whatever. So social media management. Do we have a light goal today? Currently, no. I don't want to put any pressure because I got to dip early today, so I don't want to push anything right now. So there's a lot of fear forming and sector rotation into energy, so there may be a correction on ES and NQ. Agreed. Yeah, and we did an analysis on the daily demand, or on the daily, that we are not creating higher highs. We're creating lower highs on the daily, but we are currently in a demand on the daily. So, maybe there's going to be a retest or, retracement higher before the next leg lower. But gold, NQ is playing games right now, bro. Like, playing games. What in the what? Sorry, getting distracted by my team messaging. You can say this info though, for the cleaned on and during a real thumbnail captions for what the schedule look like shortly. Cool. Gold is not having it. Oh, did it push up? Probably did, and I got stopped out. Dang! I blew that eval already. There goes $97. I'm just gonna focus on the express accounts. That's all I'm gonna focus on right now, because I got one shot to enter in a trade here, but I want Buff Shack. It's been so long. True. It has been a while, but life's been a bit busier than I want it to be. So I need to. I'm leaving for a hotel today, so I'll be gone for the rest of the week. My birthday is tomorrow, which is crazy. I forgot about that. So we're staying at a hotel. So the rest of the week, I'm going to see if I can go live on my MacBook Pro, or sorry, my MacBook Air, and use OBS and go live on YouTube. If not, you're going to want to be in the Discord, because I'm going to go live on the Discord, and only the people in Discord are going to trade with me. So right now, if you haven't done so, join the Discord, completely free. I just need to see if I can put OBS on my Mac and if it can handle it, my MacBook Air. If it can, I'm going live on YouTube. If it can't, I'm going live in the Discord. So yeah. Gold could be nice for shorts, New York shows, but it could be ready to blast higher after the bank holiday yesterday. 100%. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to short all-time highs. You know, it's not high probability, but I took it on the eval, so I'm not mad at it. Nice gold longs, up 850 for the day. Nice, man. Nice, Efren. Nice work. Did Brandon is the cash for the clean out and cover photo NQ longs? Yes. I am looking for longs down here. Is the problem. So it's a ways away. What's everybody talking about? Yes, this one. Oh, okay. Sweet. Where are you guys at? Okay, here you are. Okay, guys, I'm going to give this a shot. If it does hit it, we're going in short.
Order filled. Order filled.
Risk $250. On the 5 minute, if it makes a new high and closes higher, we're screwed. If it stays below 25,234, then we should be safe. But we would need that rejection lower. Good luck, Shaq. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Much appreciated. Is crypto perpetual trading a scam? What's your opinion on it? I don't know what perpetual trading is, to be honest. Five minutes showing me long, 1 minute showing me short. Dun dun dun. Dylan.
Order filled.
Dylan, don't fade me, or don't try to long me here, okay? Don't do me dirty, okay? So long as the 5 minute candle closes below here, we can be a little bit more confident. And also, so long as it closes below the 13 EMA, we can be okay. So right now we are in danger. Nothing is clear. Right now at this current moment, this thing can push higher. So take this all with a grain of salt and not financial advice. $46 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. By perpetual, I mean trading it with leverage. No, I mean, I don't think that's a scam if you can trade it with leverage.
Order rejected.
All right, we made it lower. We closed lower than the orange line, which is good, and under the 13, but we really need to see a push lower. We might get caught here. So we're not in the clear, everybody. We're still at risk. I got a great video to get the people interested in joining the Discord. I posted it there before, but I'll post again and people who join, they can see it. Oh, oh no, bro. I'm scared. Whatever Will posted, I'm scared. Can you explain the 13 EMA? It's a exponential moving average. It's something I use to... You can change the length of it. I don't really know it in extreme depth, but the 13 EMA is just an indicator that price likes to reject or bounce from, and that's kind of what I use to keep myself in a trade or also an entry area. So right now it's on it and it's breaking above it. We need to see it stay below it for us to stay in the continuation short. So a little bit at risk, but you know, that's trading. This orange candle or this orange line is the 5-minute high that we want to stay below in. So we have to keep watch of that. I'm just adding into the trade as we go. I'm going to keep my stops the same amount, around 250 bucks. No worries, man. No worries, Damien. Market opens in about 20 minutes or so, so it's a little bit risky. If we don't push into our favor, we can get stopped out with the volatility. So it's a little bit sucky where we're at now. We really need to see the break. It's looking like it's not going to come down. That's the risk that you take whenever you add into a trade. But you know, if I keep it where it was before, I'm risking so much. So I don't want to risk that much. I'd rather re-enter in. Just consolidating right now. Yeah, we're kind of caught in a chop right now. If this next 1 minute candle closes bullish, we are most likely cooked. If we come and break below here, I'm adding in one more contract. People waiting for market open? Yeah, potentially. Three, two, one. Oof, we closed at the equal highs on the 5 minute. And we close on top of the 13 EMA though, so it's looking bullish right now in the interim. So it's a little risky. I'll add in my final if we break below contract, and I'll be in my full size.
Order filled.
All right, so we're in full size here. My stop's going to be at 250. That's it. I'm not going to add any more. Patiently waiting. Yeah, exactly. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just going to pack up my stuff really quick. So enjoy watching the trade win or lose. I'm going to show you how we used to fold our cables at Apple. So you fold it in half like this, okay? Then you fold it in half again, okay? And then you make the loop. So at the Genius Bar and at the Apple Store, all the cords look like this. And you clip it to your belt. And we like walk around with these cool little cables dingle-dangling on our side. So that's how you fold. And if you want to look like you worked at Apple, that's how you fold your cables. Okie dokie, got the memory cards. You're Fred, are you looking at the 1 minute? Because the 1 minute I don't look at. 5 minute right now is far away from the 200 still. So, oof. Looks like we're cooked on this one, guys. A cable folding course, Dylan said. Possibly, bro. Possibly. Yes, I don't look at the EMAs on the 1 minute. I enter and manage the trade at the 1 minute, but I don't look at the EMAs in the 1 minute. So, if I didn't clarify that, let me clarify. I don't look at the EMAs at the 1 minute. I only look at the EMAs on the 5 minute. The 1 minute, I'm just entering in and getting out. All right, this last 5 minute candle is going to be extremely crucial. Extremely crucial. Every 5 minute candle has stayed below, so we really, if we get one more candle that doesn't break this high here, it could move in our favor, but we need to stay below these highs. If we break one candle above, then we're most likely cooked. Excuse me. Whoa, so I just burped right into the mic. Forgive me. I am so sorry. That is not cool.
Order filled.
All right, if we get this 5 minute candle to close below these highs, then we're looking better. Man, the dry air makes me cough so much. Yeah, the push looks good so far. We need to see this 5 minute candle close bearish. If we do, we should be good. With how far we've moved down, I'm going to move my trade to break even. It's a bit risky, but we've already moved so far down that any sort of 1 minute candle that rips higher like that with so close to market open, you know what I mean? I don't want to be a part of it. I want to take profit here if we get there. I don't know if we will, but I'm trying to get down here. But market open is about to market's about to open, so 14 seconds left on this 5 minute candle, and then we have 5 minutes till market open. So be careful, guys. New 5 minute candle formed. Let's see if we get the push lower. If not, we'll be at break even. All right, I'm going to go ahead and trail here. We're going to lock in.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out on the main accounts. With market open so close, I wanted to take it out. The rest of the accounts, I'm gonna go to break even. Market's so close to being open, I don't want to take the risk. Excuse me. No, I didn't close partials. I just closed my account, closed out on the full size, because market's about to open. So, since I probably won't be here, 5 minute demand down here was where I was looking to go long, so it's a good setup to go long down there, to be honest. So I'm gonna see if I can take that on the other evals if I get stopped out at break even. What's up? What's up? Good morning. All right, so it tapped this 5 minute supply. This orange line is rejecting. Excuse me. This is Project X. TopStep. Fred, dumb thing didn't tap me in, bro. It tapped my entry also. It didn't tap. It tapped my entry also. Dumb thing didn't tap me in, bro. It tapped my entry also. Oh, dang. Shoot, bro. I hate that. I hate that. I'm not closing partials. And, Abdi, good morning. All right, guys. Well, can we get a W on the main Express accounts? I know we're holding on the other Express accounts, but W's in the chat. Winning trade today, this morning, shorting NQ. Bye. We're looking for a continuation short, but we closed for $536 on two. So, GG's everybody. Let's go. Excuse me, guys. This thing is killing me right now. You're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me. I need to see how far my drive is actually. What funding site trading platform do you use? Currently, I'm trading TopStep. What ticker is this? This is NQ. What's the 1 hour demand that you're using right now for NQ? Aren't we in a demand zone? Yes, we are in a 1 hour demand, but there is a rally or drop-based drop candle right here on the 1 hour, which is the could be a form of supply or demand. I don't always trade that, but with the movement lower, that's kind of what we're looking for. And then also me wanting to go long down here and high probability long to be down here. I figured there would be a retracement down here to form a double bottom before we move higher. So that's why I took that short. Dang it, market's about to open. Yeah, I gotta get on the road, guys. I gotta hit the road. I hit the road, Jack, and don't come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't come back no more. I hit the road, Jack, and never come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't come back no more. That was my little burst of energy there. No! We're gonna get stopped out. How many accounts do you have? I have 4 Express accounts with TopStep. I think I got tapped out on one already. Oh, close. Very close. All right, this next 1 minute candle doesn't reject. We're going to get stopped out. Ray Charles, is that you? Is Ray Charles singing that song? I didn't know that. Hit the road, Jack, and I'll come back so long. Hit the road, Jack, and you start singing it too. Bro, we're singing the same things? I like it. I like it. Okay, guys, got topped out on that. Nice trade. short scalp. Market's about to open. Your boy's about to hit the road, drive about an hour and a half. I love you guys. I sincerely do. I appreciate you. It would mean so much to me if I earned a sub or a like. And if you like the stream and you like the content, leave a comment. Hopefully I can see you in the future. Join the Discord. It's completely free. It's in the pinned comments below. And I'll see you.